Okay, now let's see how we do the handcuff block for the guard pass while you're low. So when I'm here, we done in the past cross your feet. Great. We did the wide hands and then the tight hands, all right? So here right now from wide, you go around. So if the person tries to reach you, you try to reach my collar, go ahead and grab my collar, I push his arms one across the other. And here now I'm gonna double up my hands on the top arm, close your head, legs tight, and I start to wiggle and push from the arm until I open the legs. It's a real strong position. One more time, the other side here. Okay. Cross your legs tight. So here, one, you're gonna try to grab me. Okay. One and two. The arms are crossed. Now you double up on the top arm. So if you try to pull the arm out, you put a little bit of pressure. It takes a little bit of time. You're gonna move your hip back and forth, and as you do, you're gonna push and move your knees back. And push, boom, until you open. Once you open, remember, one hand stays on the body, the other one on the knee. Lift your feet off the ground, walk, near leg down, top leg down, hip on hip.